Best UPS power backup units protect devices from outages, prevent data loss, stabilize voltage, and keep computers and networking equipment running safely. My today's video is about top 5 best UPS power backup units that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Amazon Basics UPS Battery Backup. A reliable standby UPS is an essential safeguard for modern homes and small offices. With a 400 VA/255W capacity, this unit provides dependable battery backup for home networks, IoT devices, routers, and entertainment systems. During unexpected outages, it keeps critical devices running long enough to prevent data loss or safely power down equipment. At half load, the UPS delivers about 6 minutes of runtime, while full load offers roughly 1.5 minutes, which is ideal for short interruptions or controlled shutdowns. The UPS features 6 NEMA 5-15 outlets, including 3 surge-protected outlets and 3 surge-protected battery backup outlets, ensuring your devices stay protected from sudden voltage spikes. Its compact design fits easily into home or office setups without taking up much space. A 5-foot power cord with a right-angle plug makes installation convenient even in tight spaces. Additionally, downloadable power management software helps monitor and manage power usage efficiently. For best performance, keeping the load under 80 of the rated capacity ensures stable and reliable operation. Now our second product is CyberPowerCard 205 UPS. The CyberPowerCard 205 Network Management Card is a powerful solution for remotely managing and monitoring compatible UPS systems and ATS PDUs. Designed for IT professionals and network administrators, it enables full remote access through a standard web browser, command line interface, CLI, SNMP, or network management systems, NMS. This flexibility makes it easy to monitor power conditions and control UPS functions from virtually anywhere. One of its standout features is Event Action Settings, allowing administrators to automate responses to power events. The system can instantly send notifications via email, SMS, SNMP traps, or syslog, ensuring that potential power issues are addressed quickly. The built-in automatic shutdown, when paired with PowerPanel Business Edition client, helps protect servers and workstations from data loss during unexpected outages. For advanced monitoring, the optional EnviroSensor tracks temperature and humidity, helping maintain safe environmental conditions in server rooms. With hot swappable installation, a 10/100 Mbps Ethernet port, and a user-friendly interface, the CyberPowerCard 205 offers reliable and efficient remote power management for professional environments. Our third product is CyberPower UPS Battery Backup. A 1500 VA/1000W PFC sine wave UPS is a powerful and reliable backup solution designed to protect critical electronics during power disruptions. Built to support both active PFC and conventional power supplies, it is ideal for computers, workstations, networking devices, and telecom equipment that require stable, clean power. Its 12 NEMA 5-15 outlets provide flexible connectivity, including 6 battery backup and surge-protected outlets and 6 surge-only outlets, ensuring multiple devices stay protected. The unit also features dual USB charging ports, one Type-A and one Type-C, for quickly charging smartphones and tablets without needing extra adapters. A standout feature is the multifunction color LCD panel, which provides real-time updates on power conditions, battery status, and potential issues. The screen tilts up to 22 degrees for easier viewing. With automatic voltage regulation (AVR), the UPS stabilizes minor voltage fluctuations without draining the battery, helping extend battery lifespan. Backed by a 3-year warranty, including the battery, plus a 500,000 connected equipment guarantee, it delivers excellent protection and peace of mind. Now number 4, GeoLinks Vented Computer UPS. The Universal Vented Wall Mount S12875B is a practical and durable solution for organizing and protecting essential electronics such as desktop PCs, NAS systems, computer towers, UPS units, and S/V components. Designed in California, USA, this mount focuses on both strength and cooling efficiency. Its vented design supports 80mm standard case fans, sold separately, helping maintain optimal airflow and temperature for high-performance devices. Constructed from 10-gauge, 3.2mm, cold-rolled carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, the mount is significantly thicker and stronger than many competing products. With proper installation, it can support up to 150 pounds, making it suitable for heavy equipment like battery backup units or workstation towers. The mount fits devices up to 60 inches in circumference and measures 8 inches by 12 inches by 4.5 inches, offering a compact yet sturdy wall solution. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware, straps, anchors, and rubber bumpers. Compatible with brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, Asus, EPC, and CyberPower, it's an excellent space-saving upgrade for home or office setups. And our last choice is NCLTHS Power Supply Control. This versatile 12V DC power supply is a reliable solution for access control and security systems. Designed to convert 110-240 VAC/50 Hz input into a stable 12V DC output, it ensures consistent power for electric locks, door access controllers, and related security devices. Its wide input range makes it suitable for both residential and commercial installations. One of its most useful features is the adjustable delay setting, which allows users to configure a delay between 0 and 15 seconds. This flexibility helps optimize door unlocking timing in different security setups, improving convenience and control. The unit can directly drive both NC, normally closed, and NO, normally open, electric locks, reducing the load on access control systems and simplifying installation. Compatibility with multiple lock types makes it highly adaptable for modern security applications. Additionally, the automatic circuit protection safeguards the system from short circuits, helping prevent damage and ensuring long-term reliability. With its combination of flexibility, safety, and stable performance, this power supply is a dependable component for efficient and secure access control systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.